Yes, sir. You see that? Alright, familia. In the last clip, I was tired, bro. I don't know what I was saying. I don't know what I was doing. But the Integra is getting some power today, bro. Alright. So we have the headers right here. I did not think the box would be this big, to be honest with you. But we're gonna put these on tomorrow. Oh, they came in today. I don't know how well this is gonna work. I do know. Ooh, they bent my shit. I do know that they recommend using the OEM actually manufactured from Honda gaskets. But we're just gonna run this one and see what happens. Damn. These shits look dope as f. Gonna be right there. We got our bungs. Yes, ladies and gents, that's what they're called. They're called bungs for our O2 sensors. I don't really know where they go, and then I think that goes to the cat. I don't really know how exhaust works. Yeah.
It's gonna go up there.
This is dope. What up, thumbnail? Always don't want the looks, but let's see. Oh, baby. Ooh, baby. We got our resonator. We have our S pipe, I think, that goes right above the rear, and then we have the fat ass tip. Hold on. Let me do a little. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we are back in the auto shop with the Teggy. We already know tuning up the Teggy has been a series, and I can't wait to finish the series and complete this. But this episode, we have a lot of stuff going on. Header, exhaust, valve cover. We have the timing belt cover that's eating away. Timing belt cover, valve cover, repaint, headers, and exhaust. So let's get into it. So to take off the valve cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 right here for the spark plug bracket. The coil pack bracket. So this is how she's sitting right now. She looks pretty good. I did, as much as I could. So now it's time to start adding more. So yeah. Alrighty, so while waiting for the valve cover to kind of cool down because she does run hot, I just removed the bracket for the AC and power steering and all that. I got all the belts off but the alternator. The tensioner is being a little bit of a mean head to me, but we're just gonna swap back to this valve cover and take it off. So these are the master techs that are helping me, because this fucking timing belt cover was a piece of shit. So thankfully the boys stepped in and said, here.
Hell yeah, baby.
They said, here, don't cry, daddy's
hey,
here.
Tech right here.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get to painting the valve cover finally.
Raunchy Films. Can I say hi to Raunchy Films?
That looks like shit.
Wait, can I get a picture?
Can I get a picture? Can I get a picture with you, sir?
Oh, you want a picture for the YouTube channel?
Yeah. Can I get a picture?
Alright, next in line. You fuck with it?
Bro, that's just like fucking Gucci, bro. Like,
I like that shit. Ooh, I like it. It gets it tingles your ears. My final attack.
yeah, too fucking good.
Knuckle crack.
Alright, so what I just did is I just got all the old gasket off an RTV, and I'm cleaning it and prepping it just with a little bit of brake clean, making sure it's all clean. And yeah, we're just gonna try to put this cover on and then move to the heat shield. Bam. New meet old. I hope they fit, to be honest. Alrighty, so unfortunately, like I had theorized, the headers did not fit. But we're moving on to the exhaust now. So yeah, this is the 3-piece. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Let's get her on. Yo, it actually looks crazy now. From the back end, true Honda.
It looks like a fart can now.
Yes, sir.
I can't. I need you to rev it.